At Jenny Waltle, we always focus on our customers. Every day we try to be a reliable partner and supplier for them. With passion for cutting-edge manufacturing and a distinctive service philosophy, Jenny Waltle produces aluminium and plastic parts. Main customers are manufacturers of sun protection, facades, fences and sports equipment. Beyond Austria's borders, customers appreciate the supplier for its high-quality standards and fast turnaround times. The idea of lean and the Kaizen philosophy are anchored in our DNA. It's essential for our company that we constantly bring new innovations, that we keep our processes lean and improve ourselves every single day. The idea behind purchasing the two UR5 cobots was to relieve employees from monotonous work. In our region, it's also quite difficult to find qualified labor. To continue growing, we need to automate. At Jenny Waltle, two UR5 cobots insert up to 2,400 aluminium parts per day into a CNC machine. The small company has ventured into one of the most challenging disciplines of automation, random bin picking. The challenge was to automate the picking of randomly oriented parts from a box using two UR robots. We built the application with a 3D camera system that identifies the parts, submits the image data to the robots so that they can pick the parts. The UR cobot picks parts from a box and places them in a temporary register. From there, the second cobot picks the parts and places them in a hydraulic clamp of the CNC mill. After processing, the cobot removes the parts and the first one finally places them into another box. To guarantee process reliability, we've installed a multi-stage workflow control. In a first step, the camera scans the parts. After that, they are turned around in a turning station if needed and checked out using sensors. Finally, the CNC machine performs a quality check of the parts before processing. For our company, the development of this bin picking application with the two UR robots has been worthwhile. We have been using the system for 13 months now and haven't had a bad part since. In addition, we were able to increase our output by 11%. We really like the smart operation of the UR robots compared to conventional industrial robots. The flexible system, as well as the easy changeover between parts, are considerable advantages for us. This allows us to produce small batch sizes at low cost. Implementing the UR cobots has enabled Jenny Waltle to further develop the lean manufacturing concept. Lending the employees a helping cobot hand in the production process frees up employees to spend time on tasks with higher added value. Industry 4.0 is on everybody's lips. The UR cobots place us at the forefront of that trend. I'm certain that we will implement even more robot workstations in the future.